Sometimes you need money very fast. Luckily, there are 10 legit ways you can make money online today or within a week. Before getting into the video, please consider subscribing to our channel. We publish one video every 2 days, so don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon for a future video. 1. Deliver food to people. Have you heard of Postmates? As a Postmate, you will deliver a restaurant meal, grocery order or liquor order. This company is an on-demand delivery service looking for delivery partners with a great attitude. As with other delivery app jobs, you can sign in as available for delivery shifts at your convenience. They let you know when there is a delivery opportunity available and you can choose whether or not to take the job. Your rate of pay as a grocery shopper will vary based on a number of factors such as the size of the grocery order and the miles driven for delivery. A typical reported average pay for doing grocery delivery is $15 an hour. Remember that as with other delivery services, you can get tips along with what you get paid directly from the delivery company. Depending on which company you sign on with, you might be shopping and delivering the groceries that clients order, or you may just be delivering. 2. Take surveys. If you find yourself with spare time to browse on your phone, you could make some fast cash by filling out surveys through QMe. They have a 4.55 Trustpilot rating and you can get paid cash via PayPal. Survey Junkie pays people for sharing their opinions, and the cool thing about the company is that it allows you to complete surveys whenever you want. When you complete surveys on their site, you get rewarded with points, which can then be converted into gift cards at your favorite stores or cash which is transferred to your PayPal account. You won't get rich by completing surveys, but you can start earning points right now and get cash quickly. If you're 13 years of age or older and like the idea of making money just for answering questions on your phone, check out Survey Junkie. You can make money with Survey Junkie even when you're sitting around watching TV or sitting in the waiting room for your dentist appointment. 3. Rent out a room on Airbnb. Do you have a spare bedroom, or even a spare couch, in your house? If so, you can rent it out to travelers on Airbnb. Airbnb is a site that offers rooms, couches or whole houses for rent to travelers who are looking to avoid the expense and lack of personal feel that often comes with traditional hotel rentals. Some Airbnb travelers are traveling for work-related reasons, some are in town for a special event such as a concert, and others are looking for a short-term place to stay as they travel to a further destination. When you list your available room on Airbnb, you're advertising to hundreds of millions of travelers who use Airbnb to find their travel stay destinations. How much money can you expect to earn if someone rents your room through Airbnb? Well, it depends on where you live. Each city has a different average rate, and it can vary based on the amenities you offer as well. 4. Drive people around. Driving people around companies like Lyft is great because you can pick your hours to work without any notice at all. These apps provide rides for people who need to get places. People like choosing a service like Lyft over a traditional taxi service because the service they get with these types of rideshare companies is more personalized and often more affordable as well. After you get approved to drive with Lyft, you'll download an app that lets you sign in or sign out whenever you want or need to. In other words, you can work at your convenience. As you pick up riders and bring them to their destinations, Lyft collects the money for the ride, and riders often give tips directly to the drivers who provide great service. If the rider tips you in cash on the spot, you get some money right away, and then the money you get for providing the ride itself is paid by the rideshare company on a weekly basis. And you don't have to worry about your safety as a Lyft driver. Both companies take safety very seriously and work hard to keep both client and driver lists free of undesirable people. If you choose to start making cash as a Lyft driver, there are things you can do to maximize your income and potentially increase your tips as well. If you're interested in learning more about driving with a rideshare company. 5. Sell your clothes. Chances are you have at least a few unwanted clothing items in your closet. If you need money fast, you may be able to sell those clothes and get some quick cash. Luckily, there are several ways to sell your old clothes. If you have a lot of clothes, you could hold a garage sale, but people typically don't have enough clothes alone to do that. Here are some other ways people make money quickly by selling their clothes. 6. eBay. Selling clothes on eBay is very popular, especially when you have a lot of name brand clothing. To get the best price, check out what similar items are going for and price your items a bit lower. Don't forget to account for seller fees and shipping charges as you price. Some people find more success when they add shipping charges to the price and offer free shipping, too. 7. Become a tasker. Have you heard of TaskRabbit? TaskRabbit is a site people visit if they need a small or large task done. If you sign up to work with TaskRabbit, you might find yourself putting together furniture, running an errand, or helping someone with a small home repair such as fixing a leaky faucet. TaskRabbit clients also request tasks such as virtual assistant work, delivery work, or cleaning jobs. For instance, they may request to have their home deep cleaned before they host a holiday party. Here's how it works. First, you sign up to be a tasker on the TaskRabbit site. After being approved, you're notified by the company of available tasks in your area via their free app. You get to choose the tasks you want to take, and after you finish the job you submit your invoice directly to TaskRabbit, and they collect the payment from the client. As with Lyft, taskers for TaskRabbit often get tipped by clients, which could mean extra money in your pocket extra fast. Your regular paycheck for the work you do for TaskRabbit comes to you weekly. And because you can pick and choose which tasks you want to do, you get to decide when you are available for work with TaskRabbit. 8. Do freelance gigs. Are you good at particular skills such as writing short articles, creating resumes, web development, virtual assistant tasks, or graphic design? If so, you could make some money quickly by finding a few freelancing gigs on sites like Upwork. Individuals and companies look for freelancers on Upwork when they need some work done but don't have enough work to hire an official employee. Freelancing jobs on Upwork are often finished in a day or two, and you can often work any hours during the day that fit your schedule. Rates of pay vary on the type of work you are asked to do. 9. Babysit or Petsit. One popular way of making money these days is through pet sitting or childcare. The great thing about these types of jobs is that you are usually paid on the spot the same day you do the work or finish the job. Check with local friends and family members to see if they need a pet sitter or babysitter, or if they'd like an evening out. A reasonable average pay rate for babysitting services is $10 per hour, and more if you are watching several children. If you can't find friends, family members, or neighbors that need help watching their little ones, you could always sign up with a website like care.com to find babysitting gigs in your area. 10. Hold a garage sale. If you have a lot of stuff hanging around your house that you don't want or need, holding a garage sale could be a great way to get money fast. Thursdays, Fridays, and weekends are usually the best sale days for getting rid of your stuff. Go through your house, gather your stuff up, and price it competitively. 10% of the retail price is reasonable. Display your stuff attractively and organize it well to make it easy for people to shop. Gain more traffic by posting your garage sale on Craigslist and hanging up signs around the neighborhood. Be willing to bargain too. Getting something for an item is better than getting nothing. Want to make your sale extra attractive? Offer snacks or lemonade for free or cheap.